To make it easier for parents to access the definitions and the affirmations of the virtues, we've created this beautiful CD called The Sound of Virtues. And this is a most calming, meditative CD that parents can play while the baby's resting or in quiet time. And actually it's good for mums and dads as well, because it affirms those inner qualities that we all have, but sometimes we forget that we've got them and we need to be reminded.
I have 2 children, a 6 and 11-year-old, and we listen to The Sound of Virtues when we're travelling in the car together. And at first they say, "Mum, not this again, we've heard this." And once we're into the second track or so, listening to the affirmations of each individual virtue, the atmosphere in the car really does shift. And we all are listening and tuning in to our inherent virtues, our character strengths.
I found the Virtues CD very calming. It helped me to concentrate on certain aspects of the virtues, but also it was very calming while I was breastfeeding Hugh, and I'd often listen to the Virtues CD. It's sometimes easier to listen to the CD and understand the words through a CD than, especially while you have your hands full with a young baby, rather than, reading the cards.